Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to start showing you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Motorola G14 phone. All we need is a professional brush with bristles about 2 centimeters long, flexible enough to return to its original position. The bristles should be soft or medium hard so they don't scratch your phone. We also need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt when we clean it, so the dirt comes out and then it evaporates without leaving any trace. Because if you use some weak alcohol or some other strange, not really alcohol, just some cleaning liquid, then after it evaporates, the residue stays in the port and everything gets clogged up again. If you don't have professional tools like these, you can always use a toothbrush. Just remember, it should be soft or medium hard. We got all these professional tools from Amazon. You can buy a set just like this one, as you can see here on Amazon, on Allegro. So wherever you buy it, if you ever get it, you'll have exactly the same set as I'm showing you. We have everything prepared. The phone must be turned off. We never perform any operation on a phone that's turned on. It always has to be. We don't even do it on a phone that's powered on. The phone must always be completely turned off using the power button. Once it's off, we thoroughly soak the brush with alcohol so that it's wet. So thoroughly that it's really wet. If you don't have a diffuser like this, you can always pour the alcohol into a small dish and just dip the brush in it. We take the phone and we clean it in one direction. Repeat the motion about 5 times in the same direction and only then clean it in the other direction. The same goes here. Not all at once, but after a moment in the other direction, because otherwise the dirt won't come out from inside. So as much as you can, insert the brush inside and move it to the side. Not all the way in, just to the side, and do this about 5 to 10 times in one direction. Then we can change the direction to the other side, or simply turn the phone the other way. So for example like this. Turn the phone and repeat the same motion 10 times in this direction, but now it's as if you're cleaning the other side of the port. That way, all the dirt will come out and we'll have a clean port. From each side we can repeat it about 5 times, so in total, you'll end up cleaning it around 50 times. That way, you can be sure the port is clean, and it will work again for years without any further problems. Or you can simply do it in the other direction. As I said, I did it a few times in one direction, 5 or 10 times, so that the dirt would have a chance to come out of the port. Because if you go back and forth, the dirt will soften, but it simply won't come out of the port. It will just stay in the middle of the port and will still get in your way and continue to complicate charging. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 or 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate from the port so you can use the phone normally. And after 10 or 15 minutes, you can turn the phone on and use it without any problems. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.